Siyabingelela ubingelela baba uDokotela baba Sizwe baba uJabulile umfana muhle ungathi uyikhehla lomlungu lona umzukulu kaMancingisa ngisoli futhi angixolisi. Namhlanje senze lama video ke building Trinity Bangers building and sizonika ithuba lokuthi nani nibe neaccess entweni ezenzayo. Ngena manje ubhala ukuthi ubunyanga basendulo so lethi uzobona zonke into esenza namanye ama video ke esenzweni musu subscribe ushare and press the notification button. Namhlanje sinento ethi casino kubuyo ukhamba. Casino kubuyo ukhamba lase casino, it's a casino pot clay or clay pot. Muthanda ungasho ke uthi ingqayi ingqayi amaXhosa. Bakithi this is baba uDokotela baba Sizwe bawujabulile umfana umhle nje ekhehlela umlungu kunamafutha engwakhela abantu successful, powerful, secretive siwabiza ngokuthi inyabhanga. Naka lamafutha lawo into engiyifuna kulamafutha ngifuna ungifakile igazi ungifakile umchamo wakho wasekusela ungakhuluma azokunika lento oyifunayo azokunika lento oyifunayo hayi azokunika khehla azokunika akekho umuntu ozokhuluma naye akuphikise akekho ozokhuluma naye akuphikise as long igazi kwelakho ulifakile umchamo futhi kowakho ukufakile kodwa uma ufuna ukwenza kushube find igazi lomuntu wesifazane ona first day emenza ayo kadwa amenza kuthanga ona first day akufakele into encane la kuphelile but lo muntu wesifazane ufuna ukuthi urun risk ungase uthatha abafazi abawu3 emva kwakhe uma umenza lesithembu and abantu besifazane abayazi yonke into emoyenza indoda usiza indoda at your own risk ngoba if isinemali izosecabanga omunye umuntu izosenicabanga nje omunye umuntu engisho ukuthi ke sikwakheleke lento lena sibiza ukuthi inyabhanga biyona 3500 period uphume kumina thatha yona uhambe uyosebenza lento bakithi ngisafuna ukuthi ngeke ngiyikhulume njengenyanga ezinye izinto siyasaba uzikhuluma but baba uDokotela ufuna ayikhulume lento njengenyanga sinezinyanga efundile ke ezinye kakhulu mengithi inyanga zifundile bakithi unga undermine ungabona baba uDokotela beno standard 6 labo form 1 ucaba ukuthi inyanga zonke inyanga ayifundanga nenyanga efunda ngempela lapha ngaphandle some people are very educated and then but that's still called as inyanga kuneyinyanga engithi mina since we as izinyanga we demand our right to be recognized. What will happen kungenzekani if Department of Health in South Africa ingathatha isinqumo ukuthi yayebo maqembu ezepolitiki siyeza ukuthi emaqembini kunezinyanga EFF siyeza nenyanga ANC nenyanga bla nenyanga MK nazenyanga akeni sinike kulezi nyanga zenu 10 5 ebesilisa 5 ebesifazane nisilethe kwi workshop mayifika workshop sizos verify ukuthi singama South African ngempela yini mase ziverify mase zithathe lezo nyanga zideploy zonke ezibhedlela to work ezibhedlela same as ngoba ebhedlela zikhona inyanga zabilo ngikuthiwa ama homeopathy inyanga liyana inyanga homeopathy inyanga nje lento inyanga la yini ungafika uyenze first thing ongafika uyenze casualty nangu uyangena umuntu ulemali yini olindele ukuthi uzofika uyenze ewadini njengamanje wena ungangena manje ewadini njengoba abantu belele begula abanye bafika izolo nangu uDokotela yini ongafika usize ngayo njengamanje nje yini wena ongathi ungena lapha esibhedlela ungathi hayi mina isingenisa lapha mina ngicela ninginika into ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngingene nayo yini wena ongafika uyenze immortality rate ngathini iblood pressure yakwazi uyifunda blood pressure kuphela yeke ushukela bavese unoshukela nawe ngeke ngithi ungakwazi ukuba uhlezi uyichova ushukela njalo noshukela ezinye into ufuna sizibuza ukuthi sihlukanisa kanjani umuntu ophatha imithi nowazi imithi noyinyanga bawu3 laba khona ophatha imithi kukhona owazi imithi kukhona oyinyanga but they are all assumed to be traditional doctors. Lo muntu uwasha izitsha njengamanje ehotela ufaka iziphandla nentambo phakathi emzimbeni uyinyanga uwasha izitsha. A traditional doctor washing dishes in a restaurant lento angifuni ukuthi ifinyelele kubanikazi bangoba lento uma singayikhulumi how come sizokubekezelela usasibiza ngenyanga nathi sithi sizinyanga kodwa njengamanje ushayela itruck iduma lemva kwakho okuzoza njengamanje u driving a code 14 truck if u off inyanga where on earth you saw a doctor driving a truck is it a doctor or it's a person that daydreaming to be a doctor driving a truck lento mina ayingifikele ukuthi sizoyibiza kanjani where on earth you are a gardener in an estate complex usebenza ufake ibhayi ngoba unabadala usho njalo unabadala you regard yourself as a traditional doctor as well wenza igardening uphipha amasimbi ezinja namakati and you still want us to tolerate you because if ngempela iDOH ithatha isinqumo so ukuthi now we need to see izinyanga playing part big part empilweni zabantu ezibhedlela yini wena ocabanga ukuthi ungafika uyenze don't you see that ukuthi asinabo bonke abantu abaready and we need to come to a segmentation whereby kwangena nesingisi kazisho ukuthi legama we need to come to a for that where we segregate abantu abangama juvenile eminyangeni cut off bahambe bo mentorishwa kahle bagrowing before babuye bezelana because ngempela labantu laba we are not too sure what to call because we are carrying the empty vessel actually we are so many but we are very few who are eligible ukuthi i-Department of Health ingabathemba ukuthi ba deploy hayi ama clinic ezibhedlela nje kodwa labantu kuthiwa zinyanga yebo isipondolosiso uyibiza ngani lento wena ngakini nje isipondolosiso ngibuza ukuthi wena nje uyibiza musokuhleka amakhamisi ngibuza ukuthi uyibiza ngani isipondolosiso ngakini awazi yabo encephalopathy uyibiza ngani awazi cardiac enzymes yini kusuke kwenza amakhulunywa kubalwa ama cardiac enzymes awazi mesikhuluma ngeEGFR sikhuluma ngani awazi yini kanti wena ufuna ukuthi uyayazi njengoba sikufuna ukufaka isibhedlela thina sibadala sifuna ukuphusha nithi nintsha nigazeni lise fresh sifuna ukunifaka ezibhedlela nihambe noSmela sizonithemba kanjani ngoba lezi zinto ezingama basics of basics ufuna ngabe uyayazi mkhulunywa ngeEGFR yomuntu ukuthi kufuze ukuthi ibe ngakanani yini kanti wena hematocrit sikhuluma ngani kuwena sesiyakubuza ke nje njoba wena untanta nje kule qembu nje tanta nje ufuna ukuba phambili kuNC ufuna ukuba phambili iDA ikubona ukuthi ye traditional kuze uthi make deploy now siyakubuza ke nje manje iDA iyakuthemba ke kulungile HNXA iyakuthemba ke njengamanje bengibuza babudokotela ubuza yini hematocrit awazi yabo kodwa wena ufuna ukudeploy immunoglobulin ES yini awazi lezi zinto lezi asingahlambalazeki sigrushwe nabantu esibona kahle labantu basadla ubisi basancela ubisi ngoba those are the basic things unawo amakhambi esintu uyawazi kodwa lezi zinto lezi ziyi general knowledge ofuna ukuthi uma ungena nje ka natural medicine uzazi lezi zinto ufuna ngabe wena usuyazazi kwamanje yabo ufuna ngabe usuyazazi lezi zinto lezi mesibiza ngithi besikhuluma ngeTB quantiferon neTB gold sikhuluma ngani will you touch lo muntu one TB quantiferon will you enter a room nomuntu one TB gold will you ever make that mistake indeed you will because awazi engisho ukuthi siyadinga ukuthi lamaqembu ethu ezepolitiki akaphinde naphe ukuthi obhala basilandelayo yabo ku action XA untanda phambili nje nama plate intanda phambili kodwa ufuna ukona ukuthi mekukhona kwenzeka bakujejele phakathi ku early for that isibabu doctor basizojalo ufana ukuthi lento ngishiso yini there is something that we call it is a sage is madoda where's up on today I have to explain you sage how you spell sage it's SURGE and surging up when the ocean is surging up the sage of laziness ebunyangweni it's just too high it is ngeke usayitolerate izinyanga zamavila by far. They don't want to learn something new. They don't want to conduct any research. It is all fine. It is all fine. As long as it's all fine. And then that is laziness. We cannot tolerate people so-called traditional doctors who are this lazy ake siyibone into esibuyisele emuva azamini kuba effective ngayo yonke indlela awukwazi ukuvuka ekseni awukwazi ukufaka isikhathi emsebenzini awukwazi ukusiza abantu ngesikhathi nje yonke into yakho islow musu ufikile kubukwa wena kushipha wena kupraise wena hayibo ezwa vile umuntu bo this is sage ebunyangeni we have to do something about it we have to speak about it as well zinyanga zami ake nibe nama passport ke sibheka isikhathi esikusona sibheka isikhathi sokhokho bethu nobaba omkhulu bethu laba basifundisa imithi bebengena ama passport but indawo yonke manje private property emgababa mina la ngikhona even ukulusa inkomo isikhathi esiningi uziluse inkomo abona umulusa inkomo lapha emathuleni kuthiwa semathuleni lapha ufuna wazi ukuthi le yansimi yasemathuleni wena wakabuthuleni ngoba ngeke ube sanulusa inkomo ensibini amasemathuleni ngayena wakabuthuli yonke indawo emgababa private property mina ngineyade elikhulu kabi umgababa ngeke ulusele imbuzi zakho kwami ngeke uzoyenza nto because ngwakazuma mina ayikho ke indawo kumbi imithi uzoyimbaphi yabo uzoyimbaphi engisho ukuthi iba ne passport inyanga uhamba uyothola le mithi la isatholakala khona siyako akhona ukho sowenza into efanayo siyendaweni sokuthi sowenza into efanayo kunendawo la isatholakala khona engekho kabi kodwa by far indawo eningi isi private property osakwazi uhamba ngoba yonke into ithinta usuthinta indawo yomuntu yes baba udokotela baba usizojabulele bantu basekhasini nginakhele umsebenzi wokugembula uthola ufika no 30,000 uphatha ibhande e-wristband sithathe ukhamba sithathe le wristband siyifake la phakathi mase sithatha lento siyifake la phakathi sikukhandele lo msebenzi ukhande mase sithi once a week hamba uyogembula kodwa ngo10 ebusuku make sure u3 ekseni buya before uhambe uzokhuluma lapha okhambeni ungayi kabili ekhasini ngoba imali ozobuyidlela lapha they will get offended by you kalondlela ke sikunika ke ithuba lokuthi thatha nathi ukhamba elwabantu abagembula kuphela. This is Babu Dr. Babu sizibawujalo ufana uhlesha khetha umzulu amancengisi angisoli futhi angixolisi siyabonga nibahle nonke thuru love you wena ke othi ku Facebook ngena njengamanje nansi ke inamba ozosithola kuyona bhala uthi ubunyanga basendulo ungena ku YouTube uyakwazi ukuthi usubscribe ubone namanye ama video this is just a tip of an aspect siqale ukushutha ngoFebruary and siyaqhubeka phela sicela uDecember 15 ungasali mekhona ivideo ephumayo ukwazi ukuthi uyibone siyabonga.